bringing you back with another video, man. Today is a quick video. It's about crypto. If you're in the crypto space, this is the video for you. If you're new to crypto, this is also the video for you. If you have no crypto, this is also the video for you. So before we get started, make sure you hit that like button, share, comment, and hit that subscribe button so we keep going up. Follow me on Twitch as well. Let's get the 50 followers over there as well. Now, XRP. XRP been on the rise for the last couple of years. You know what I'm saying? I had a homeboy that told me about XRP when it was at like 50 cents. I never bought in until just now. So I just bought XRP at $3.15. $3.15. So if you don't have XRP, you can still get in. It's not too late. It's not too late to get into XRP. You can still get in. Right now, I think it's on a downtrend, so you could definitely buy this dip because it's gonna continue to rise. But let me go ahead and log into my Coinbase and show y'all my XRP that I just bought yesterday. Like, I literally just bought XRP yesterday at $3.15. Okay, so here's my XRP. Alright, so right now we're up 6% right now. So look, let me show y'all. See, right now we're up. Bitch. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, come on. As you can see, we're up 6% right there. I got about $100 worth of XRP. Bro, why does it keep doing that? Okay, about $100 worth of XRP. Current price is $3.35. $3.35 current price, and we got in at $3.15. We're up 6%, which is not a lot of return, but it's something. You know what I'm saying? So I plan on investing for the next 5 years. I would like to see at least like $10,000 return, you know, over the next year or two. You know what I mean? So I'm planning to hold for the next 5 years to see how far XRP goes. Now if I'm also a day trader, so I look at the charts as well. So if I'm looking at the charts, right? Oh, also before we get into the charts, like I said, I do day trade. So I went ahead and loaded up my account on Trade Locker. If you don't trade Forex and you want to learn how to trade Forex, DM me on Instagram and I'll teach you how to trade Forex, or you can just take my signals and trade Forex. But I loaded up my account, $150 on Trade Locker, and I went ahead and bought in some XRP as well. Now this XRP that I bought on Trade Locker, we're not gonna typically hold this too long, because we're looking for a gain and then take that money and reinvest into our Coinbase XRP. So this is some like fast money. This is fast money right here. This is fast money. Okay, this is fast money. So with that being said, we bought in 0.9 here, around this area, around 36, 38, $3.38 is the high right here. So like I said, it's continued to push up. It's gonna continue to push up. So this was the perfect, like right now, if you wanted to get in, you could have bought this small dip right here, or even this dip right here. You know what I'm saying? But you could still get in right here. It's yet to break this trend line and continue to push. Now, with that being said, with my TP set at $4, I should make 380 off one position and 184 off the second position. So that's 380, 480 plus 20, that's 5. It's about 560. So about $560 once XRP hits $4. Now, the way I marked up my chart, I have my fib retracement on here. So with my fib retracement at this last consolidation area of the high being a high here, our next high is $3.50. So I put an alert at $3.50 just in case when it gets there. Obviously I'll be in profit, you know what I'm saying, but I can watch it at this area in case it decides to take a fall back down. But also, I don't think it's going to fall if it gets to 350. If it gets to 350, I don't think it's going to fall because the all-time high is $3.84. So it wouldn't be no reason for it to go to 350 and then fall and then go to the all-time high. You know what I mean? So what's most likely is it's just gonna push through that 350 and push to that all-time high at $3.80. At $3.80, right? Let's switch back over. $3.80, and it's gonna break this all-time high and make a new all-time high. Right? So my prediction is we're gonna break through 350, right? We might play a little bit in this area, but I think we're gonna get that continuation to the upside to go test this, to go hit this all-time high at 380. And then once we get around this 380 area, I believe it's gonna break it and set a new all-time high around $4 and change. It might go a little bit past $4, but our target is $4. And we could see $4. We can see $4 within the next, what day is it? It's the 16th of January. We could see $4 by next month. I'll give it a month to push up to $4. So February 16th. February 16th, I believe we'll see $4, or even before that. But I'm giving it a month to push up to $4. Now with that being said, so this is my prediction right here. Okay, so this is what I predict. So if we go on trading view, right? So this is on trading view. All right. So you can see my lines that I made up. You can see this trend line right here. Definitely broke the trend line, right? Excuse me. Definitely broke this trend line. So, I mean, we could get rid of this. Okay. Definitely broke that trend line. We can get rid of this as well. Down here, because it broke that trend line. Broke the trend line. Okay. Now, my analysis is, like I said, I got my fib retracement, right? Fib retracement. Our next high, we might see some type of rejection, some type of consolidation. I believe it's 350, but it won't consolidate there too long. I don't think it's going to stay there too long. So it's definitely going to push to 350, possibly with a consolidation, but it's definitely going to continue to push to this all-time high and hit $4 and make a new high. Okay. So this is my prediction right here with these green and red lines. Well, let me explain these orange lines first. So this first orange line right here that says CB, that's my Coinbase entry. So this is where I bought in at $3.15, and you can see we're currently up. Well, I showed y'all not too long ago, it was up what, 5-6%. Right now it's looking like 7%, about 7% right now. So that's what we're looking for. So we're up there. Now the TL entry is my trade locker entry, which is this entry over here, which we're coming back in profit now. And that's that entry right here, trade locker entry, around $3.38. With that being said, our target is $4. Okay, and this ATH is all-time high. You should know that. But those are our target lines. Okay, cool. Now, prediction line is it's gonna take off from here, right? We're definitely gonna see $3.40. We might even see $3.50 today, tomorrow. But yeah, we're gonna take off from here. Now, like I said, I think it's gonna take off to $4. Remember, I said consolidate, but I don't think it's gonna consolidate too much. It's gonna go to the all-time high. It's closing in on all-time high. Now, closing in on all-time high, it's definitely gonna break that all-time high. So we're just gonna shoot straight to $4, basically, right? Once it hit $4 or make a new all-time high somewhere in this area, $4.10, you know, whatever it is, I believe we're gonna get a retracement, right? I believe we're gonna get a retracement either to this previous all-time high around 380 or back down to our 350 level, right? Now, once we hit one of these levels on the retracement, it's either just going to continue to push back up and go to like $4.50, $5, or it's going to reject off of this previous all-time high and come back down to test some type of lows in this area, which there is a gap right here. It doesn't necessarily have to come back anytime soon. So this red line could definitely be wrong. The red line could also go. I mean, it could also go something like this. Could go something like that. Could go something like that. You know what I mean? Could go up $4, reject off the previous all-time high, go up to this next high, which is around $4.50, and then retrace back down to, you know, about $4, $3.80. So it could go like that as well. But because this is a red line, we have it to go down and not up. So we'll leave it like that. We'll leave it like that and see what predictions play out. But yeah, man, this is your sign here to get into XRP. Buy some XRP. See, we're getting this push up here. Negative $10. It's not bad, not bad, not bad. Yeah. So I think our new all-time high is gonna be $4. Yeah, I think our new all-time high is gonna be around $4, somewhere in that area. And then we'll possibly get a retracement back down into the $3 areas. You know what I mean? So this is actually wrong. Well, it doesn't really matter. But yeah, we're gonna get a retracement into that 380, maybe 350 to 380 retracement from that $4. And then back to the top. Now, if you want, if you want to invest into XRP right now, let me tell you, I would say get in right now and try to buy at least 100 XRP. 100 XRP right now is, I believe, around $300 or so. Let me see. Okay, yeah, 100 XRP is $355. So if you want to get into XRP right now, get into XRP. Get into XRP. Buy at least $100 worth and hold. Okay. Now we could do some calculations just so you can see what potential profits you can make. So if we go here, coin calculator. If we go here, boom, 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 boom. Okay, so we're gonna search XRP. So if you're buying right now at a buy price of 337, that's where it's at, right? Yep, 337. Okay, and let's say you bought in $350 worth, and let's say XRP gets to that new all-time high that I was talking about, $4, right? And you, let's say you were going to sell, you were thinking about selling, or not even forget I said that, forget I said sell, forget I just said that. So let's say you buy $100 worth of XRP, which is $350 at $3.37, right? By the time XRP gets to $4, you would have made $65 on your investment. Now, $65 is not a lot of money, but at the same time, you gotta think about it. We can reach $4 within a couple days. We can reach $4 today if the market gets a crazy push. We could reach $4 by next week if the market gets a crazy push. You know what I mean? And I definitely think it's gonna go beyond $4 or reach $4 once Trump gets into office. So even for me, I only have $100 worth of XRP at 315 at the moment, and if this gets to $4, then I'm only making $26. You know what I'm saying? I'm only making $26, so that's not really no money for me either. But this $26 could come within a couple days, within next week, by next week. You know what I mean? Now, by the end of the year, I think XRP may reach a high of like $10. I want to give it like a range of like $8 to $10. And the reason why I say that is because I have it marked out here as well. So as you can see with my retracements, all the high is about $6 there, right? That's the high. And then if I move this up to the top of this, then we get a high of $7. But let's adjust this correctly. So we move that to the top of that, and then we'll move the top of our chart to our all-time high, because it's been here before. Alright? Okay, so excuse me. So we're going to the top of the last consolidation area, the last high right here before it broke through. And then we're going, the fuck is this? Oh my god.
Police.
What did I just do?
What did you do?
I don't know. I fucked up the chart and I don't know what I did. Delete. Okay. I didn't do nothing. Alright, so we move this to the all-time high. Then we'll get a high of about $7. So we're getting an average $7 high. So that's all I'm gonna say about average $8 to $10 on the high right there by the end of the year. Now with that being said, if we get to $10 by the end of the year, that's $217 profit. Wow. Alright, here's what I need you to do. I need you to stop buying those for at least like 2 weeks and put $100 on XRP.
Your fucking XRP.
Okay? Alright. Matter of fact, you need like $300. Yeah.
This is $30.
I don't care.
Fucking
Invest in the XRP. $100. So by the end of the year we get to about $10, that's $200 gain. Just off my $100 though. Now if you bought 100 XRP for $350, you would gain $761 by the time it gets to $10. So that's a decent flip. It's a decent flip. We could see $10 in a couple months. We could see $10 in a couple months, so it's not that far out. If we're talking years, I would probably predict XRP next 5 years, maybe somewhere between like $30 to $50. So that's damn near $3,000 return on your investment. $50, $5,000 return on your investment. Right now, if I kept this at 100 and never invested again, got to $30, would be $850, $7,000. So, yep. Let's see how this is doing. We're back down 15, but it's pushing up. It's pushing up. But yeah, if you want to stay updated, Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you follow. Make sure you like. Drop a comment if you're holding XRP. How long you've been holding XRP. I wish I would have got in when it was at 50 cents. But it's better late than never. You know what I mean? So, like, comment, subscribe. Invest in the XRP. We out.